what we do find is December does end up being quite difficult. So hopefully I can share some tips to help consumers navigate the difficult festive season and get to a good financial footing when we start 2021.
All right, so we all need those tips. Get right to it. I believe you've got about 5 tips on how to better manage our credit.
Yes, I mean, to get straight to it, I think the first tip, which may seem simple, but actually probably one of the most effective, is just reviewing your monthly needs. What's quite useful is doing a budget over the December and January period, because we usually find that we tend to spend a little bit more during these months. So it's important that we actually factor for these. And FNB have recently launched a smart budget tool on the FNB app, which actually does lots of the hard work for you. It puts the control back in the consumer's hand to set budgets, limits, and targets, so you can actually monitor on a daily basis how you're doing for the festive season. The second factor, which I think is also extremely useful, is clever use of your bonus if you receive one. I think an important principle to apply is an 80-20 principle, which basically means you need to use 80% of your bonus in a responsible manner, such as savings or settling debt or school fees, and the remaining 20% you can then spend on yourself and your loved ones. A third principle, which is also extremely important, is only use credit when essential and don't take out more than you need. And also important to factor in for the next year that you need to repay this. So it's also important that that repayment then features into your budget for the new year. My personal favorite is actually a tip 4, which is find other cost-effective ways to kick back. And a perfect example of this is the use of eBucks. So depending on your eBucks level, eBucks rewards level, you could actually qualify for multiple or various discounts at eBucks rewards providers. And this is extremely useful over the festive season. And the last tip I'd like to leave consumers with is continue to save wherever possible. So a very good way to do this is to actually start 2021 by reviewing all your monthly debit orders and have a look at, is there any space where you could save or possibly reduce or look for alternatives? And that goes a long way. And when you actually plan on saving, it's advisable to approach your bank to look for a suitable investment vehicle for you. And I think those 5 tips, if we try and keep that top of mind over the festive season, we'll all go into 2021 on a much better footing.
Absolutely, Shikar. Those are really some very important and helpful tips. And I just want to quickly ask you, as head of collections, at FNB, did you find that during this very tough year, people were indeed struggling to keep up with their repayments and, their debts?
So I think 2020 has posed many challenges, and keeping up with debt definitely included. I think what we managed to do very well at FNB was implement our innovative cash flow relief program, which actually helped assist customers through some of these difficult times with repaying some of this debt. So that actually helped quite a bit. And I think the fact that we've managed to navigate through this tough year, it's very important that we don't take our eyes off this December period. Because we know when you get into December, you start to relax, you get into that holiday mode. So it's very important that we still manage to navigate this last month or 2 months, if you want to include January, just to make sure that when we go into the new year, we in a much better off position, because I think there's lots of challenges that lie ahead of us, and we don't want credit to be one of those challenges for our customers.
Yeah, absolutely not. And we have no idea also what next year will bring. Thank you so much, Shikar. That was Shikar Singh, Head of Collections at FNB.